See, now come to class 3 lesson 11 money 167 question number B. 1 number question. What the question said, Nancy bought a packet of chips for how many rupees? 8 rupees, and a cola drinking for how many rupees? 12 rupees. That means how much money did she pay? That means she has bought one chip for how many rupees? 8 rupees, and a cold drink, that means not a cola drink, that means that she bought a cold drink for how many rupees? 12 rupees. That means how much money did she pay? That means what we have to find? We have to find the total money. That means what we have to do? We have to do plus only. See, let's start the solution. See, Nancy bought a packet of chips for how many? Nancy bought a packet of chips for how many rupees? For how many rupees she bought a chip? To 8 rupees. Again, a cola drink for how many rupees? 12 rupees. That means what we have to do? That means how much money we have to, how much money she have to pay. That means we have to find the total money. Yes or no? See, total money she pay to shopkeeper. See, then what we have to do? We have to do to plus. Yes or no? See, 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 how many? 10. 10 will be how many? 0. Again 1 in hand. Yes or no? See, now again here 1 plus 1 how many? 2. That means how many money she have to pay? She have to pay how many rupees? 20 rupees. This one is the answer of question number 1. Now come to question number 2. What the question number 2 has said, Jenny has 2 10 rupees note. Jenny has how many rupees note? 10 rupees note. How many 10 rupees note are there? 2 10 rupees note. Again, see, and 3 5 rupees coin. How many 5 rupees coin are there? 3 5 rupees coin are there. That means what we have to do? How much money does she have? That means how much money? That means how much money she have? We know 2 10 rupees note. That means 2 10 rupees note will be how many? 2 how many rupees note? 10 rupees note. That means 2 10 rupees note will be how many? 20 rupees. Again what? 3 5 rupees coin. That means 3 5 rupees coin will be how many? 3 into 5 how many will be rupees? 15 rupees. That means we have to find how much money she has. That means total money she have. That means what we have to do? We have to do plus. Let's do plus. 0 plus 5 how many? 5. Again 2 plus 1 how many will be? 3. That means total money she have how many rupees? 35 rupees. This one is the answer of question number 2. Let's see question number 3. What the question number 3 has said, Sam had a 20 rupees note. Sam had how many rupees note? 20 rupees note. He bought a chocolate for how many rupees? 30 rupees. How much money is left with her? That means what we have to find? Sam had how many rupees? 20 rupees note. She have bought chocolate for how many rupees? 13 rupees. That means how much money he have left? That means what we have to do? Let's start the solution. See, Sam had how many rupees? 20 rupees. But he have bought chocolate for how many rupees? 13 rupees. That means Sam had how many rupees? 20 rupees. Yes or no? But and he have bought what? Chocolate for how many rupees? 13 rupees. That means she has spent how many rupees? 13 rupees. From 20 she has spent 13 rupees. That means how much money left with him? That means what we have to do? We have to do minus. So we have to minus total money. How much money he have? He have to 20 rupees, and she has spent how many rupees? 13 rupees. That means we have to find how much money he have. That means we have to do minus. See, 0 minus 3. We can't subtract 3 from 0. That means what we have to do? We have to take 1. From here we have to take 1. From here, that means here will be here 0. If we will take 1, here will be how many? 10. That means 10 minus 7. 10 minus 3 will be how many? 7. Here 1. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. That means our answer will be how many? 7. This one is the answer of question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Here see, question number 4 has given a handkerchief cost how many rupees? 16 rupees. What will be the cost of 8 handkerchief? That means here the question said the cost of one handkerchief means one handkerchief cost will how many rupees? 16 rupees. We have to find the cost of how many handkerchief cost? 8 handkerchief cost we have to find. That means see what we have to do. See, let's start the solution. Here given the cost of one handkerchief. What is the cost of one handkerchief? 16 rupees. We have to find the cost of 8 handkerchief cost. So what we will do? We have to, if we will find the cost of 8 handkerchief cost, that means what we have to do? We have to multiply 8 into 16. That means one handkerchief cost how many rupees? 16 rupees. That means we have to find the cost of 8 handkerchief. So 8 into 16. Let's multiply 8 into 16. See, 16 into how many? 8. 8 into 6 how many? 8 into 6 how many? 48. Yes or no? 48. How many? 8 into 6 how many? 48. 48 will be what? 8. Again what in 4 in hand? 8 ones are 8 plus 4 how many? 12. That means the cost of 8 handkerchief will be how many rupees? 128 rupees. This one is the answer of question number 4. See, now come to question number 5. The price of a banana is 4 rupees. That means the price of one banana is how many rupees? 4 rupees. And the price of an orange is how many rupees? 6 rupees. That means the cost of one orange is how many rupees? 6 rupees. What we have to find? How much money to require to buy 3 banana and 2 orange? That means we have to find. Let's start the solution. Here the question has given the price of one banana. That means price of one banana how many rupees? 4 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find the cost of how many banana? We have to find the cost of how many banana? 3 banana. That means then the price of 3 banana will be how many rupees? The cost of one banana will be how many rupees? 3 rupees. That means we have to find the cost of 3 banana. That means what we have to do? We have to do multiply. We have to find the cost of 3 banana. That means 3 into 4. How many will be? 3 into 4 will be how many? 12 rupees. That means the cost of 3 banana will be how many rupees? 12 rupees. Again the question has given. Again see, again the question has given the cost price of one orange. That means cost of one orange. The price of one orange how many rupees? 6 rupees. We have to find the cost of how many orange? We have to find the cost of 2 orange. That means if the cost of one orange is 6 rupees, we have to find the cost of how many orange? 2 orange. See, then will be, see, the price of 2 orange will be, that means 2 into 6, because one orange will be one orange is the cost of one orange is how many rupees? 6 rupees. That means we have to find the cost of 2 orange. So 2 into 6 will be how many? 12 rupees. That means how much money he have to pay? That means we have to do plus. He have bought 3 banana and 2 orange. That means what we have to do? See, now see, price of 3 banana and 2 orange will be how many? See, 3 orange how many rupees? 12 rupees. And 2 orange how many rupees? 12 rupees. That means 12 plus 12 will be how many? 24 rupees. That means this one is the answer of question number 5. Now come to question number 6. What the question number 6 has given? See, Jenny has a 20 rupees note. Jenny has how many rupees note? 20 rupees note. How much toffee will she get for it if each toffee cost how many rupees? 5 rupees. That means Jenny has how many rupees note? 20 rupees note. If he will buy a toffee for how many rupees? 5 rupees. That means one cost of one toffee will how many rupees? 5 rupees. That means for 5 rupees toffee, he have how many rupees? 20 rupees. That means how many toffies he can buy? See, let's start the solution. Say Jenny has how many rupees? 20 rupees. The cost of each toffee, that means cost of one toffee how many rupees? 5 rupees. That means what we have to find? That means how much toffee she can buy. That means see, toffee she can buy for how many rupees? For she have how many rupees? 20 rupees. For 20 rupees, how many toffee she can buy? That means what we will do? We have to do divide, because with this 20 rupees, how many toffee she can buy? That means we have to divide. So if we will divide 20, if we will divide 20 by 5, that means how many will be? See, if we will divide 5 by 20, that means 5 for the 20. That means how many toffee she can buy? She can buy how many toffee? 4 toffee. This one is the answer of question number 6. Here, now come to question number 7. The cost of 9 kites. The cost of 9 kites. That means how many kites are there? 9 kites. The cost of 9 kites, how many rupees? 72 rupees. What is the cost of one such kite? That means we have to find the cost of one kites. That means here the question said that cost of 9 kites, how many rupees? 72 rupees. We have to find the cost of one kites. That means, see, let's do the solution. Here the question said the cost of 9 kites. That means the cost of 9 kites, how many rupees? 72 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find the cost of one kite. That means, see, if we want to find the cost of one kite, that means what we have to do? We have to do divide, multiply, plus, minus, or what? If we will find the cost of one thing, that means we have to, what we have to do? We have to do divide. That means the cost of 9 kite is equal to how many rupees? 72 rupees. Then the cost of one kite will be how many? That means we have to do divide. If we will divide 72 by 9, that means, see, 9 on the 9. 9 into how many? 72. 9 8 is 72. That means the cost of then the cost of one kite will be how many rupees? How many rupees? 8 rupees. This one is the answer of question number 8. So this from class 3, this one is the last question of question number B.